Hey guys, this is how to fix Capital One app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first one is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device and go for the search at the bottom and go for the top and search for Capital One. And after that, just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open, and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right, and guys, make sure to enable the auto update. Now for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply scroll down and try to find the Capital One app and tap on it. And from here, just simply go for storage and tap on the clear cache. And now, if you still have issues, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. Then you should be able to reset the application. Now, if it still doesn't work, just simply go hold the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And from there, you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.